In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a JEE preparation dashboard in Notion. We're going to build a clean, practical setup that helps you stay organized, track your syllabus, manage study tasks, review mock tests, and keep revision on schedule. The goal is to create one central place where you can see your preparation clearly and make better study decisions without feeling overwhelmed. Start by creating a new page in Notion and turning it into your JEE preparation dashboard. Give it a clear title so it's easy to identify, and think of this page as your command center. This is where everything connects, so keeping it simple and easy to navigate will make a big difference later. Next, add sections for physics, chemistry, and mathematics. These subject areas will help you separate your preparation in a way that feels structured and intuitive. You can use headings or dividers so each subject stands out visually. This makes it easier to jump to the area you want to focus on and gives your dashboard a more organized look. After that, create a syllabus tracker database to monitor chapters and topics. This is one of the most useful parts of the setup because it helps you see exactly what you've completed and what still needs work. Include each chapter or topic as an entry, and organize it in a way that lets you update your progress regularly. A tracker like this gives you clarity, especially when the syllabus starts to feel large. Now add your study plan by creating daily or weekly study tasks with deadlines. This turns your big preparation goals into manageable action steps. Instead of just knowing what you should study, you'll know when to study it. Keep your tasks realistic so the plan feels sustainable. A well-paced system is much more effective than an overpacked one. Then create a section for mock tests where you can track scores, weak topics, and mistakes. This is important because mock tests are not just about marks. They're also about learning patterns in your performance. Recording weak areas and errors helps you focus your effort where it matters most and improve more strategically over time. Next, add revision dates for important chapters. Revision is essential for long-term retention, and placing revision directly inside your system helps make sure it actually happens. Prioritize high weightage or difficult chapters so they come back into your schedule at the right time. Finally, review your progress regularly and update your study plan as needed. Your dashboard should evolve with your preparation. As you complete topics, identify weaknesses and improve through mock tests and revision. Keep adjusting the system so it stays useful. Done consistently, this Notion dashboard can become a powerful tool for focused and organized JEE preparation.